and we don't know what to do. We're trying to get back to the car and we don't know where. We're just following this trail.
You know what's really funny?
What?
If we were doing that, like a third head appeared.
Did you just...
No!
No, go. We start Lewis. Did you not?
I'm terrified, aren't I? Look!
So we're on our way to Peak District to film some, I don't know. So I guess we'll see you there. So we made it to the Peak District. We've not, it's just KFC.
KFC, it's wrong.
So just got ourselves some like delicious stuff.
On our way home now.
On our way home, like Lewis said. Yep, it's a nice day out.
Time to bring the bass. Oh my lord, oh my god, that girl, she trained to go. Any hour, any minute, man, she down the road. She so flawless, never worry about no other hoe. Man, I love that, bro.
We've made it. It's just, we're at the parking meter now, so.
Give me it. Thanks.
So, we're already lost. Our maps said that it was like, what? Like right here. It's completely walled off. Like, it just looks abandoned. So we've been like walking for, how long have we been walking, Lewis?
About 20 minutes. So we're gonna try and find somewhere else, because this is not working. Yeah, we don't even know where we are really. Basically, the first place we were actually planned to go before, it was underground. The actual trail looked above, but it's underground. So what we've had to do is, we've had to walk around the whole field, just to try and somehow jump on the trail. We just found a chapel. I'll show you on screen. Show you on screen right now, the chapel. And now we're just obviously trying to find our way through the forest where the trail is. We found the path. It took us about, how long? About half an hour. It took us ages to find. So Hey, look, we're gonna go this way.
we've got a sign. Yeah, there's a big drop here, you know.
Oh Jesus Christ! Holy crap! Excuse me, you're the person with the light?
Oh my.
Yeah, you know.
So guys, so we found these like hills. I'll show you now on screen.
So guys, it actually looks deeper. It looks deeper than it looks, basically.
Yeah, it's quite
On
deep.
the camera, it can take good photos, but it can't.
This is all I can show you for now. Like, it just goes down.
Basically, if we slip down this, I think one of us is gonna die. And
Yeah,
I ain't coming after
I
you.
reckon we'll die.
I like you, but you know, there's a limit.
You don't like me that much.
You know, there's like 2 wagon wheels in the car. They can be both mine.
You know, I got a Galaxy Bar in my pocket. You're not having that now.
Point. Oh, that means I have to save you.
Yeah, pretty much.
We've got tools in the car.
You got your torch on you? Oh, you're just gonna... Oh, well.
I thought I heard a snake head. Oh. Why am I so scared?
Get your torch out.
No, it's
Flash it down there for me.
Hey Luke.
Yeah?
Look,
Why?
I keep thinking it's being touched and it's been freaking.
There's a gate there.
tripod.
There's a gate.
Huh?
There's a gate.
I don't like gates.
How's gate that?
Oh my god. Stop getting scared. I keep standing on logs. It's terrifying.
There's a lot of... there's more. Yeah, Lewis, this is where we die now. Oh!
I like it. Let's have a look. Let me just take a picture of the gate. Ah. Ooh.
Can you not? Yeah, can you get like a...
Please close the gate. Oh.
Cheers. Right, you can go in front now.
Luke.
What?
Do you know the way? Because
No.
I do not know the way.
Yeah, you do, because there's only one way. How's it going there? That was proper gay.
It wasn't gay, I was strolling like a man. Yeah.
Eee, okay then.
Ah, I got you on camera.
You almost died by that rock.
You know what? I'm getting my phone out because you know this like high-powered freaking torch is no match for a 2-3-year-old phone.
Kid, okay.
Oh, I lost my phone.
Did you?
Yeah. Good that, innit?
Why, where's your phone?
I don't know. That's why I lost it. Hello. Go.
Let's go. Oh.
Hey.
Yo, I don't even want to go down there. Lewis, this is scary, man. I am now. So we've just heard footsteps. We're on a one-way trail like this, in the pitch black, and there's some people with us. I'm terrified.
This is bloody.
Yeah, this is getting quite scary now.
It's supposed to be a public trail. Luke,
What?
why are we on a public trail late at night?
I don't know. No, that's really dark down there now. Should we do like another 5 minutes and go, yeah?
Go where?
You know, head back.
No, it's alright, you know. Just not scare you a little.
That's not gonna scare me.
Hold on, hold.
What?
Go take a picture.
Yeah. The camera's gone out of focus.
Hey, guess what?
What?
I'm not afraid anymore. You hear me?
Well, you should be. We've been going for like a couple minutes. What the hell?
What?
Trees in half?
Oh my god. Look at that! How the hell did I do that?
What the hell?
I'll take a photo for you guys now.
How the hell is this tree snap in half? Right, so we're on our way to try. Oh, Jesus! Woo! Woo!
That's not a good idea.
My foot went straight through that, so I'll keep to the side. Oh my god, we almost died. We're almost at a waterfall.
That's a good point. The closer we get into water, the more likely it's not going to be wet.
What? No, that makes no sense.
Look, Jesus, no. This is going to be dangerous now. But keep going, we like it.
Oh, here we go. Right. Left, okay.
Hey guys!
We made it!
To the water.
Oh my god. How are we supposed to get around this?
Like that. Ah.
You can open that gate again, can't you?
Yeah, but we're not going to.
Why?
This is the end of the trail.
Is it?
Well, it's not, but I don't want to really go down here. Just think.
That's where the water is.
What? Trying to light them for me.
So this is what we are seeing.
And this is what you don't want to see. Just do 5 more minutes of this way and then we'll turn around.
Right, so I think we're advancing, so let's go. Lewis! Alright.
I don't know how it's supposed to be.
We're like Scooby-Doo, but with 2 people. I'm Shaggy and you're the dog.
Can I get mine on it?
Oh my god, yes! Eee! Oh, it's a lot of water. Is it worth it? Oh, it's dry over here. Dry.
What the hell?
That's amazing!
I got some photos.
Oh my god. Yes! Just kick. Oh my god. Yeah.
Here we go, pop. Yeah. I'll get my tripod out and I'll get us like a photo.
This is amazing. It's a massive waterfall. So nice.
This is what we see.
Woo! Look at that! It's so good! Mission accomplished, Lewis! Oh my god, it's so nice! There's a mini one there as well.
Time to bring the bass. Oh my lord, oh my god, that girl, she trained to go.
Right, let's get our stuff and let's get out of here, man. So now, we're getting really tired. Got this hill. Lewis, should we do that thing again for the camera?
What thing?
Put your light out.
Yeah. It might not seem scary to you because you're... Okay, 3, 2, 1.
Nah, you can forget that.
You guys at home, might not be that scary.
Yeah, you guys at
The
home.
woods with nobody around and some creepy sounds. It's scary. Because all you can see is a slight glisten off the moonlight. That's all you can see, and then nothing on the bushes.
We're just saying that, like, if you guys are here it would be oh my god, you don't even experience what it's like.
Well, if you guys were here, it'd be a lot easier because you know, more people feel safer. But there's two of us.
There's two of us in a forest that we've never seen before in our lives, and we don't know what to do. We're trying to get back to the car, and we don't know where. We're just following this trail.
You know what's really funny?
What?
If we were doing that, and like a third head appeared.
Did you just...
No!
No, go. We'll start Lewis. Did you not?
I'm terrified, aren't I? Look!
What?
Stop it!
Dude, it wasn't me!
No, me, you stopped, or you ran right behind me.
Did you not hear it?
No, I'd rather not.
I'll play it back in the recording.
I don't want to.
You heard the shh. I know I've got goosebumps.
Please, shut up.
Oh my god.
Next time we do a video like this, we do it with more people. I'm not here with us anymore.
Yeah, you think? No, it's scary. It's really scary.
But we know there's nobody out here.
Yeah, that's the feeling. You know that no one's there, but it's just, you have that feeling that someone is there.
It's just awful.
Yeah, we didn't even research Peak District. We was like, oh, there's a nice forest over there. We'll go and visit. Not well knowing that these trees and like forests might be haunted.
Well, I've got a tripod. You hear that, guys? Murderers?
Murderers.
Anywhere near me, I got a freaking tripod.
Is that your weapon?
They're probably got a gun or a knife.
You got a tripod though.
But you know, I've got a tripod.
There's also spiders on the floor.
You know what? No, look, you just crossed the line. I deal with murderers. But spiders, I know.
Oh god.
If I see a spider, I'm jumping down there. No, I heard that one. I heard that one.
What?
I don't know what that was.
I wanna cry.
You know what's funny?
What?
We're nowhere near the exit yet because we haven't gone through the second gate.
I know.
Put up there.
Okay.
Look ahead.
Oh my god, look at this. Keep flashing.
I don't want to do that anymore.
That's really freaky.
Look, we see directly behind me. Don't go to the left or right because it's freaking me out.
Okay.
Tree!
Jump. Tree. It's a good job our phones are charged.
I know, yeah.
Because imagine we brought that light out.
Well, yeah, oh, actually, we have a second torch in the bag.
Do we actually?
Yeah, gonna get it out.
No. I'd rather go home.
Yeah. It's a really good job of charge.
I don't like this place. Getting really bad anxiety out here.
I think I'm actually really terrified. There's nobody about. It's not just a little scary bush. We're in the forest by ourselves.
Should we walk in silence?
No, I'd rather keep talking to get my mind off the ghouls and ghosts.
Oh, we made it to the second fence.
8 more to go.
Oh, imagine if this was the second fence again. Imagine if we looped. Imagine if it was like that.
Oh, you mean like the movie?
Jesus Christ, Jesus.
Don't do that.
You just left the fence to close.
What did you hear it close again? Oh.
Yeah, imagine if you heard the gate just open again.
I'm waiting for it now. Nah, I'm scared. Away, away.
Da 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 da.
I wasn't for you, let's go.
Oh. Should we sing some songs on our way back?
Oh.
The weather outside is frightful. Oh, the fire is so delightful.
Like the burning bush of the church.
We're gonna get copyrighted.
Why is the roses out here? Dun dun. I'm gonna put it.
Bliss.
Yeah.
Stop. That's so many times you've fallen now.
Yeah, I opened my feet and like left.
Oh, we're at the end.
Okay. You know what? Let's not go down there.
We've made it back. That's the way we went. If anyone ever comes
We don't
that
make
way.
It. Ghostbusters.
This.
Ghost walls.
So guys, when I went back now to the car straight after that, so that was terrifying, I gotta admit.
I am nah, I'm not doing that again, you know.
You know what, we'll speak more when we get to the car. Let's see you there.
Where's my phone?
Right guys, so we're back and that was absolutely scary.
That
God,
was awful.
like, I don't know how we could really explain it. If you was ever going down there to the Peak District, I recommend going that way because it's obviously got the waterfall in it. But don't do it at night. Have a group of you.
Yeah, more than 4, because those sounds in there were real. Anything we were doing then was real.
Why, like, there's no point to fake anything when there's 2 of us. Like, we're in the dark and we don't want to creep ourselves out, so I also need to clean my lens. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, subscribe, comment, obviously share if you like the video. You got anything else to say, Lewis?
Look out for my pop.
Okay. Yeah, so we'll see you in the next one, guys. Have a nice day.